Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, I got a few really cool stash ads. This one, man, I've wanted this kit since I first saw it with the red, white, and blue uh, paint on it. Man, that thing just looked too cool. I was like, that's definitely a got to get. And then when I got the box, I seen there were two different ways you could do it, and I really like both ways. So I'm gonna try to get me another one here down the road. Um, because funds are real tight. But yeah, so that is a very cool Bel Air. I love the old gasser look. Never built a gasser yet, so that'll definitely be a first. But very cool monogram kit there. Um, then I got at Ollie's. I used to restore Corvettes, and when I seen this, I was like, oh my gosh. And then I seen that there's two setups on it, and I'm like, man, I gotta get me another one of that also, because I want to do both versions, the box top and then the side. Just a beautiful car. So that's a definite do. And then this one I just got, and yeah, very cool. The old 60 Ford Ranchero. Um, and I'm going to do it Coca Cola because I don't know, it's just kind of neat. Got the Coke bottle stuff and a cooler and, different things. I'm going to definitely change the wheels out though. I've got some extra wheels that are like torque thrust or something kind of like that. Um, I can't stand those kind of stock hubcaps. They just don't look good, especially with the white wall. So hopefully it's white wall on one side of the tire and black wall on the other side, so I can turn them around. But yeah, that'd be awesome, man. If maybe somewhere along the line, somebody, may even be me, start a Coca Cola group build, because when I was at Ollie's, they had a bunch of 41 Plymouth yellow and black Coca Cola cars, and I know there's several different Coca Cola kits. So yeah, I'll probably end up doing something along that line. I mean, something like this, it just looks kind of cool, with the Coca Cola and then the full decals. Um, yeah, I might have to throw something together on that. But yeah, so these are my stash ads for now. Hopefully I can get some more. Finally got my disability thing set up, and that's going to be a very tight budget. But oh well, you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching and checking out my channel. And these probably won't get touched until the snow starts flying, just for the fact I got some other builds I'm in right now, and got to get the first responders build going, and I got it started, but haven't made it real far. So, but anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Take care, and I hope you're all doing good. Take care. Bye.